In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in Microsoft Outlook quickly, following the most recent 2025 guide. If you've ever found yourself squinting at your screen, trying to read smaller text, or just want to establish a consistent look for your outgoing emails, adjusting your font settings in Outlook is the solution. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure comfort and clarity when composing your emails. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Outlook by entering https://outlook.office.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in to your Outlook web account using your email credentials. If you're already logged in, you're a step ahead. After entering your login details and gaining access to your inbox, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear-shaped icon here. This is your settings button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll see an option towards the bottom labeled View All Outlook Settings. Click on this, which will expose a more comprehensive settings menu on your screen. It might look overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through it smoothly. Now, once you're in the settings menu, look for the option labeled Mail, and underneath it, click on Compose and Reply. This is where you will find various customization options for how your emails will look when you compose them. Under the section titled Message Format, you'll see the current options for font style, size, and color. Here, you can adjust the default settings according to your preference. To increase the readability of your emails, choose a larger font size from the drop-down menu next to the font options. You can also experiment with different styles and colors to suit your personal taste or brand identity. After making your choices, don't forget the important step of clicking the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top corner to the right. This ensures that all the adjustments you made are applied and will take effect the next time you compose an email. With these changes, every new email will reflect your updated settings, making them easier to read and offering a consistent appearance that can enhance your professional communication. I hope this guide has made it easier for you to customize your Outlook email experience. Adjusting your font settings can greatly